Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature. If you want to try to charge your phone and it's showing this type of error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly what you need to do is just simply open settings first, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to search for battery. Here it is guys, and then you have to tap on battery health and charging, and from here you have to turn the toggle off for optimized battery charging. If this toggle is turned on, then you have to turn it off from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply shut down your device, and then you have to restart. Just simply open setting, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown, and then you have to slide to the left side, and then you have to restart your device and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the one circle is there, then what you need to do is just simply remove the case from your device, and then you have to cool down your device first. So you have to wait for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and after that check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palm circle is there, then what you need to do is just simply check your charging. Okay guys, if your charging is best quality or not, or if your charging is verified from Apple or not. Okay guys, you have to use best quality charger for your phone, and after doing all these things your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.